Welcome to Collage Site e-learning. This video will cover everything that you need to know about activating a recently purchased license, as well as the best means of contacting support if you need it. After installing the latest version of Collage Site, navigate to the TopCon homepage, www.topconpositioning.com, and create yourself an account. You can do this by clicking the Sign Up button towards the top of the page and filling out some information about yourself. You should receive an email shortly after creation that asks you to verify your account. You should do that before continuing on to next steps. Also, if you've already created a TopCon account previously, you can use that one. Once your account is created and you've received a Collage Site serial number from your dealer, you're ready to activate your license. This can be done in a couple of ways, but the first method that we'll cover is called online activation. Open Collage Site and tap or click the Home button and then the licensing option from the dropdown. Now, ensure that Online is selected under the activation header for this method. From there, simply input your Collage Site serial number that you received from your dealer in the top field, and then input your verified TopCon positioning login credentials in the associated fields below that. Tap or click Activate, and after a few seconds, you should see the Modules tab populate some information like you see here, and you should receive a message that says Successful Online Activation. Method 2, or offline activation, is done a little bit differently. After creating your TopCon positioning account, ensure that you've verified the account and that you're logged in on your internet browser. Then, navigate over to and click the My Apps button towards the top left of the page, and then Product Activation. Then, you really just need to follow the prompts from here. First, I'm going to insert my Collage Site serial number that I received from my dealer, and then confirm that the product information looks correct. Step 3 will ask for your device ID, which can be found back on the licensing page in the Collage Site application. Navigate back to Collage Site, click the Home button, and then Licensing. Your device ID is listed under the information header on this page and can be copied and pasted directly back into your internet browser. Click Continue, then carefully read through the license agreement in Step 4 before clicking Accept. From here, it is highly recommended to both copy this activation key down somewhere safe and download the license file that is supplied. Once you have both of those saved and or copied, navigate back to the Collage Site application and then back into the licensing page. This time, ensure that Offline is selected under the activation header and copy and paste your Collage Site serial number in the top field. From here, you can use either the license file that you downloaded locally or the activation code that you copied down. Using both is not necessary. Once you have the serial number and one of the other fields filled out, simply click Activate and make sure that you see the modules information populate like you see here. Congrats! You've successfully applied your Collage Site license and you're ready to start using the software. If you ever need support for any reason while using Collage Site, contact your dealer with whatever issue you're having and be sure to include as much detail as possible. From there, issues will be escalated to TopCon and/or ClearEdge 3D accordingly until we ensure that you're back up and running. Best of luck in the field!